So my job is the gardens manager here. So I am in charge of making sure that all the maintenance is being done here at the Arboretum, making sure that the horticulturists have what they need to get their jobs done, to also make sure that the student workers have what they need, and the volunteers that come here to help out in the Arboretum. I enjoy working here because it's a beautiful historic Arboretum. I learn new things every day here. The people here are awesome, the volunteers, people that work here. It's great being in an educational area where students come in and can learn from our Arboretum. And having volunteers and visitors here is also really awesome. Out of this job, I get a feeling of fulfillment. We're planting many trees since a tornado happened, so being able to plant trees for the future is very fulfilling and exciting. And just being able to have people come and learn here all of the time is very exciting. I'm here today because I was in the nursery business before in garden centers, and I wanted to learn more about plants, science behind plants. So I came back to school here in the spring of 2019, and I got my bachelor's degree in horticulture here, and I was lucky to be hired full-time after I graduated. So some other green opportunities and careers would be public gardens. You can do tons of jobs in public gardens. You have public parks, cities and municipalities. There's also a big need for careers in like sports complexes, golf clubs, things like that, stadiums. There's also research you can do. You can work in a greenhouse or in nurseries. Yeah, so that's a few of them.